Welcome to the stream. Viewer discretion advised. This guy has no idea what he's doing. Oh, and this is not financial advice.
What's up? Good morning. Good morning. It is Tuesday, March 24th. It's going to be a good day. We're going to be trading MNQ today. I got the levels marked out. And we'll go through that here in a second. Just want to double check these levels real quick. Sounds a bit like the microphone is too hot. Check. Alright. Cool. Let's have us a day, boys. So, what I'm looking for is I am looking for price to come down. I got pre-market low, pre-market high. I'm really basing this news candle as a pretty big indicator of where price is going to be going. And so drawing the fib, top to bottom, I'm looking at price to really sustain above 24,000. If it doesn't, I do think price is going to go down, sweep down to 2300s. Buyers have a chance to really use this as a catalyst to move to the upside, but they tried to bounce off the 0.5, got swamped by sellers. So they're trying. Sellers are trying, buyers are trying, so we're kind of just in the middle here in this range. I will be looking for buyers to either step in here, bring price up, or for buyers to defend 24,000, or buyers defend the 100% retracement. But I mean, if we make 100% retracement, I will see some sort of relief bounce, but I think that'd be a big deal for sellers. Would not be a good look for buyers. That would not be a strong sign. They gotta bounce between 0.5, 0.618, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens. We got open right now, actually. Matter of fact. Cheers, boys. You can join the Discord. I post my pre-market plans every morning. If you would like, I'll leave the link in the bio. But it's completely free. I'm just trying to build a community of traders that just be kind of fun. So, market open. Let's check if we got news today. We have news in 15 minutes. So with that being said, I'm probably going to be hanging for about 15 minutes and just letting it do its thing. We have we already had non-farm, so we have PMI. You know, it's pretty big numbers. So I will be staying cautious here for the time being until these numbers come out, and put this in the Discord real quick. Alrighty, let's see. Good morning. Got some news coming in. Cool. Now, I'm not trying to make money off these courses. I'm not even making a course, but just trying to build a community. I think it'd be fun. All right, so we got buyers bouncing off the pre-market low and off this golden area. Let's see. Cool. I'm gonna put this in the bio real quick. See if I can. It's actually in my link on my YouTube header, so go check that out. All right. Buyers coming in nicely, but looks to be getting swept. Got a lot of liquidity to this upside here that needs to be swept. Could see that happen here shortly. Oh, you know what I need to do? Sign into my broker real quick. Oh, I am signed. So if I do trade my cash account, traded my cash account right now. I don't show my P&L as now, so I have to screenshot it because it'll show my whole account numbers and all that, but I'll figure out a way to show my P&L. But it's been a good 4 weeks. It's been small wins. We've had a few big ones, but I've just been taking base hits, and I think that's just the way to go, honestly. So, I don't know if we should get some music going. Last time I did, I got copyright striked for no reason. It's kind of dumb. All right. So I don't know if y'all trade the 15-minute orb. I used to do that all the time. I like live by it, but I just found so many inconsistencies with that strategy. But maybe we'll mark some stuff down. Right now, I got the hourly hourly chart up there for y'all. But I have 4 screens. Got 1 hour on this one. I got a 15-minute. I have 45 and a 30 above, just to lose money. Wish we can listen to music. That'd be fun. But not happening. Alright. As I said in my pre-market plan, I really do think 24,200 has to hold. If 24,200 doesn't hold this area, I will be looking for price to be sweeping the 23,900, 23,850 area. There's a small imbalance here, as you can tell, and that's where I'll look for price to bounce, have a small relief bounce, and possibly take a long. I mean, you could see price actually defended at 24,000 as well, slightly below the 0.618. In my opinion, price becomes bearish below 24,000. We'll see what happens, though. Buyers have the chance to really make that Trump news yesterday catalyst to move back up, and they're not doing too well. Each high is being shut down. You got shut down here, shut down here, shut down here. So yeah, buyers just cannot get a grip. Cannot get a grip. So whoa. Yeah, pretty lackluster open. Ain't nothing really going on, but maybe we'll see something coming around at 8:45 with the news. Let's check the headlines. Oh, that's annoying. Cuts rating on private credit. Blah, blah, blah. Oil rises back above 100. That's not good. That's not good at all. Um, Raise S&P forecast despite Middle East war. It's pretty cool. All right, we see sellers coming in. Yeah, this is looking like price is going to be sweeping down to the 24,000. I truly might take a long there if there's support. It was a pretty big supported area back in the beginning of March, March 8th. It touched and moved all the way up to 25,000. Wow. Wonder what happened there on Sunday. Jeez. All right, so we're breaking pre-market low. That's a pretty big deal, in my opinion. News should be come out here soon. All right, sellers are creeping through. Uh, Gonna switch down to the 30-minute. I have a bad habit of zooming out, and then you guys can't tell what's going on. I'm gonna move this over. Okay. Okay. No, I don't trend. I don't trade trend lines, but I do use them for reference every once in a while, just to kind of get a picture. I don't think that's how the market runs. I used to though. All right, so we're getting a bounce off 0.618. Nice bounce. I'm gonna switch to the 15 if y'all are cool with that. All right. So we're coming close to the first 15 minutes. Um, Open range low. I haven't traded open range low and open range high in a long time. Open range high. Uh, Again, we got news in 2 minutes. News in two. Can't believe it's already April. March 24th, 2026. Tuesday. No trades. Yeah, so waiting for news to drop before considering any positions. We got S&P, PMI coming out here in 30 seconds. Going to be looking for 24,000 to come into play. We'll see how that works, but alrighty. Dropped. Let's see. Alright, buyers are buying. News dropped positive. Positive. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna pretend I know what the hell these numbers mean right now, but this just dropped. So buyers might come in and use this as positive news. This one's down. Let's check it out. All right, buyers are coming in. What I will do, because we're getting buy support here, I'm going to wait for a retest. There's still some imbalance here at the bottom on the 15. This area. So, imbalance. Yeah, so there's balance there. I'm going to wait for a retest on the 15 minute. Just wait for price to touch that. Tap it. Tap and bounce. So we have a nice initial bounce off the news. Let's see if we get a retest to enter. Actually, let's see. I'm really trying to stray away from moving the screen too much. Sorry. Okay. All right. 3 minutes. So we have a bounce there. We also have a so we're now entering the area of fair value gap area, that massive candle that's just this might not be a good area to long. I'm gonna try two. Let's see. If this breaks down, I do think 24,000 will be into play. Yeah, I don't like this. So I entered off the 3 minute. I didn't enter off for 15. I feel like my stop's in a bad spot. But I don't want to lose 300 bucks. I hate drawdown. Just hang with me. Hang with me. Come on. Alright, seeing some sort of buy support here on the 3 minute. Now. No. Come on. Nah, this is getting. Oh, this is killing me. Need price to rocket up here. Come on. Need this price to be sweep this liquidity here. Come on. Come on. Get up. Get up! Go! Take one off there. Go! Take one off there. All right, I'm holding this one. Ugh. Buyers are coming in nicely on the 3, but we need to hold it. Hold it! It'd be nice to see this liquidity here sweep through and all the way up to this VPOC. I would love to see it. Looks like sellers are coming in a little bit. 15-minute, we got a nothing candle. Doji, maybe reversal. We got 5 minutes left on that. 30-minute, we got a nice buy support. 15 minutes, still forming bullish reversal. 5-minute bullish. Okay. Come on. This is just pre-market. $15-minute turning bearish. 30 minutes still bear bullish-ish. Buyers are showing support on the 30-minute. 15-minute we are showing signs of buyers. 5-minute we have a reversal candle. 5-minute we closed with a nice reversal. 15-minute we got some bullish going on. 30-minute we got some buyer support. 45, yeah. All right. I'm feeling decent. 5-minute, I like that. I like it. Damn. There we go. Come on. We got to get a nice little bounce. I mean, does this really matter anymore? I don't know. Come on. Just gotta sit here and wait. Now, if this does sweep this area, I will move this up. I feel pretty good about this right now, though. I've been cutting my trades way too early. And, yeah. Be nice to see this squeeze up to this 1 hour VPOC. I don't know. Man, that freaking 3-minute retest. I'm not out of it yet, but I feel pretty good about it. If I take profit here, I'll take profit here. I just hate taking monies off early. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh. So we got a sweep of that liquidity. I'm just going to put my stop there. Let's do this thing. I'm probably going to get stopped out, but I don't care. Small wins, baby. Small wins. We'll take it. We'll take it. Let's go. Let's go. We'll take it. It's a good way to start the day. That's a nice 76-point dub. Cash account, baby. All right. That felt good. That felt good. Damn, that felt good. Ah. Man, that felt good. Nice trade. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Let's see. Nice little $140 win. It should have. I should have probably held it. That's okay. It's all good. All right, so I'm gonna hang tight here, see what this is doing. Now that I got that, I'm gonna wait for price. I'm gonna wait for price to um, we're gonna touch that VPOC, I guarantee it. But probably should help. That's okay. I'm gonna wait for price to figure it out. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Terrible. I always leave money on the table. That's okay. $100, $100. Yeah, I'll write to my target. Ugh. That's okay. All right, I'm gonna be. I'll be right back. It's all perspective. You know, $140 one day could turn into $1,000 based off size. If I had size on that trade, it would have been a great reward. So, I think learning in this space, I've realized that W's are W's, and can't judge the W based off the size of the win. You got to base it off execution. And I feel my execution was great. I could have held a little longer, left a little money on the table, but I mean, yeah, 25 points or so. But hey, did I know it was going to hit my target? Nah. Was I smart by putting a stop, trail stop? Probably. Probably could have waited a little longer, but hey, what am I going to do? So I took a small scalp off the retest of 24,100 for a small win. I'm looking for a market to find a little more context. I don't think this is the real move for the day. I truthfully feel that we are bearish. It doesn't seem like buyers have much steam to bring this back above pre-market high 24,500-ish. 24,400 is another one I'm looking at, but I really would love to long 24,000 in my honest opinion. To see 24,000 come tested in spot. So basically what I just said in my Discord, I want to see 24,000 tested. Reason is because that's a pretty big supported level prior. Also, it gives me a better risk to reward. Moving. I keep saying, I gotta stop that because you don't know. Because I'm explaining it to you. 24,000 give us a better risk to reward and a better area to long, a little safer. Here, still in the middle of this news candle, and I hate trading in the middle of ranges. Technically, it was off the 0.618, which is fine. Still is in my strategy, but I do not like trading in the middle. And being in the middle of this massive news candle is just kind of asking for trouble, getting stuck in something you don't want to be in, and market could just trade either direction. So, yeah. So I'm just kind of wait for market to either rocket up. If it does, it does, and I miss the move, and I'll just wait for a retest or a sweep of imbalance somewhere, or I'll wait for price to sell off and reach that 24,000 level and find an area where buyers will find value and buy. I do have this mapped out, this imbalance. There are some sellers stuck in this area, but other than that, it's just a waiting game to see if there's any other opportunities. But $140 scalp to start the day. I mean, hey, green is green, boys. Green is green. I think it's time for blackjack. Oh, yeah. I got Young Dolph playing on my brain right now. Saturday, water on water on water. Do I hit? I hit. I should do this for real. Oh! Boom. Come on, give me a 21. Give me a 21. Do I hit on a 16? Oh! What? That's crazy. Come on. I'm at it. That was stupid. I should have hit. That was dumb. Ah! Oh, man. Look at this. Oh! Target just smashed. All right, so buyers are showing pretty good support. So with this being done, I am going to wait for sellers. Man, left money on the table for show. That is all right. We'll be good, chat. We'll be good. There's nobody in here watching, but it's okay. Yeah, yeah. All right, so waiting game. Water on water on water. Tap on choppers. Yeah. Commas. Yeah. Hundreds. Baggage. Fashion. Oh man, I'm bummed that I sold that trade. That was kind of dumb to sell, but uh, oh, that sucks. That it sucks. I need to get a green screen so you can actually see the background. I'm not sure why you can't, but dude, I'm not gonna lie, that imbalance sweep was crazy. Oh, just a beautiful, beautiful sweep of imbalance. It came in, retested that imbalance, bow, long. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I did lose some money on the table, but that's all right, dude. I mean, hey, it's all right. So we could see a retest again. So we have an initial bounce here. We have an initial bounce here. What I could wait for is price to find some sort of resistance here, retest this area, and then bow. We'll see. But we are seeing buyers support here, which is cool. Damn it, the same. Damn it, the pain. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Hey, 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 shame on you. Um, yeah, so, alright, so now we're getting sellers. Um, like I said, I'm going to be waiting for price to retest again, or this is the area where um, price comes down to 24,000. and moves down. So, going to be paying attention to that, seeing what happens. I'm going to let this know right here. Yeah. Possible retest of the 24,100, or this could be the move down to 24,000. Possible retest of day low. But the blame, shame on you. I got some Mac Miller playing in the dome. Yeah, we got retest here. Okay. Small little move. Let's see what happens. Nope, that's not what I wanted. All right, nice little $40 move. Let's. Duh! Why not? Why not? That trade right there is what I used to make in 5 hours of working. 5 hours of working picking up horse manure, bro. 5 hours of horse manure picking up her. Just clicked a freaking mouse button, made $50. Get out of here. Ah! Drink my coffee, my pink coffee mug, bro. Alright, I'm calming out. Calming down. This thing is just weird, man. I'm telling you. Trading is weird. Tell me I can make $40 in two. You tell me I can make $200 in 5 minutes. You're telling me I can make $1,000 in 5 minutes by clicking a button and spending hours and hours of learning? Yeah. Yeah. Pretty much. You telling me I can have a mustache, 0 college degree, and make money? Yeah. I'm not talking mess about mustaches. I think they're cool. Oh boy. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna be hanging tight. I don't want to be caught in this crap. So I'm gonna be looking for, honestly, no trades until 24,000 is picked. If I miss the move, I miss the move. No trades until 24 is okay. I don't know. It seems buyers are kind of lacking. You know, they don't look like they're very strong. So just kind of hanging, just hanging around. Just hanging around. That's great. Just hanging around. I mean, you got some no follow through from the buyers, but you also have no follow through from the sellers. So there's just kind of a lackluster price action here. The real play was the bounce that I initially took, but I didn't hold. But I think we executed as long as we could, personally. Uh, Buyers could pick up here. Maybe this is another retest. I don't know. Until then, I'm just hanging around. Just hanging around. Buy, 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 buy. I'm gonna keep these. Buy. Buy, 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 buy. I'm keeping those. Okay. Yeah. Unfollow. Yeah, this is kind of boring. Um, yeah, I'm just chilling. Just hanging around. Just hanging around. Uh, Man, what a day! What a day! What a day! What's going on MGC? That's where you can get wrecked for fun. Oh, 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 man. It's absolutely ripping. Almost 100 points. Oh, where was I? All right, well, let's give it a shot. Why don't we? So we got imbalance here. Inside. All right, balance. We have imbalance. Here. Get the big boy there, and then lots down here. All right. Um, draw the. Oh, that's a cool idea. That's actually a really cool idea. Okay. So I'm seeing some sell liquidity stuck. Whew. All right. Seeing some liquidity stuck here on MGC. Let's see if we can get a move. Got some liquidity up here too. That's probably where it's headed to. It would be cool. Oh, I didn't even have VWAP or 90MA on. I bet you that would have helped keep me in my position. That sucks. I forgot to turn that dang thing on. Nope, that would have completely steered me away. Yeah, okay. Gold is just on a tear. Looks like we got that volatility back. For a little bit, it was kind of getting slow. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to be looking for a dip down here to 0.5. Got some got some imbalances here. Could be swept. Uh, Hitting the 0.618 here. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Uh, a VWAP touch would be pretty legendary. Maybe VWAP touch, sweep of this imbalance. Yeah, maybe. MNQ looks to be selling a bit. Freaking love Beetle Juice. He's awesome. Yeah. Let's go ahead and set an alert. Yeah. MGC, go back. Set an alert there. This thing is just absolute ripping. Wait, what was that news? Nah, you can't see that. Can't see that. Ugh. I should have been watching this the whole dang time. Not enough sleep. I'm bored. Just kind of nothing. Uh, just hanging around. Just hanging around. Waiting. I cannot believe gold was ripping while I was stressing out over stupid wins. MGC gold. So I was just telling Discord that I'm looking for a retest, retrace to clear up these imbalances below on gold, specifically the zero point 0.5 fib level. That'll give a good VWAP touch. And then on MNQ, I am still looking for a retest of 24,000. And as you can see, nothing's really going on. We're just kind of chopping. So hands off, waiting for the market to give me something good. I obviously am not going to chase the highs on gold. That would just be a disaster. So just kind of hanging tight. I am just, in the words of Beetlejuice, hanging around. Oh, this song is so good, bro. Yeah. I'm done with you. Done, it's through. Skr, 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 skr. Done with you. What is up with you? I thought I said I was done. Call it big. Oh God, gold is just ripping. Ah. What else? CL? What's oil doing? I wonder what one contract costs. I bet you it's insane. I don't even want to try it. Putting up, pulled up. Talking about no dance. Ugh. .382 could also be a good level to buy up. You got that 1 hour VPOC. It's just gold is so expensive, and I mean it moves. That right there is probably a $100 move. And buying here just for it to sell down here, just for it to clear that imbalance. I don't know, man. I don't know. A little risky. Little risky. Maybe too risky. Where we at profit wise today? Girl, I'm done through. 190. $190 today. I need to hit at least. I don't need to hit nothing because that's not how you trade, but it would be nice to be above 2 at least. Be above 2. I thought I said it's no. Nice bounce off that VPOC. 10-point bounce. I'm telling you, dude, it's insane. Let me see. So 2 MGC contracts for 10 points would have been $200. That right there was a $200 move. It's insane. Insane. That's why you got to be extra careful with MGC because this thing, it moves and these contracts are worth a lot. Yeah. So, got to be careful. Got to be extra cautious on that. MAQ looks to be chilling in the same spot. Actually, because I don't have to trade this right now. It looks like it's going to clear this up now. Maybe we can get some sort of sell pressure here. It would be nice to get in some sort of move. But 9:30, first hour of market open. Jeez. Um. All right. M&Q looks to be selling it. I don't know. I give up. I don't give up, but like nice touch off that 9 EMA. Hanging around, just hanging around. Man, I don't know. This is kind of lame. This is kind of lame. Bye, 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 bye. Nothing. All right. Well, nothing's really happening. I'm probably gonna get off. Set my alerts. But yeah, not a bad day. I mean, I could have held that trade a little longer, but made it up for that $50 scalp. So that $50 that I made on that tiny scalp was what would I've made if I held on. So gonna be looking for a sweep of these imbalances, find support. When I find buy support, then I'll enter long. MNQ, I am looking for price to dip to 24,000. Until then, I will just be hanging around. Thanks for joining to the viewer that did. There's one. uh, yeah, be back on tomorrow. So, all right. I will catch y'all later.